Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Airdroper. So today I'll be showing you guys claim how you can get up to 82 million MRAT token, alright, with as low as $1. That's what I'll be showing you guys in this video. So MRAT token was just launched on PancakeSwap, and it looks like very very great coin with great potential. All right, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can claim it. So this is the Moonrat website, and Moonrat is based on the Binance Smart Chain. All right, so they'll soon be launching their app, and this is all about them. You can check out their website and find out more about them. All right, they have a total supply of 1 quadrillion Moonrat token. All right, so this is their roadmap. So 3 months ago they initialized their protocol, so they launched today, that's in about 13 hours ago. They launched on PancakeSwap. They will partner with CoinGoku and other exchanges like Bitmart in 1 month. Marketing, they will promote marketing, they will market more marketing in 3 months. The NFT launching will be in 5 months, and they will launch a betting game in 7 months ago. So this coin has great potential, and it will be great for you to buy it and keep right now. All right, like I mentioned, with just as little as $1 you can get up to 82 million of these tokens. All right, so stick with me to the end of this video. I'll show you how you can get this token. All right, so right now Moonrat token is about 0.0000001 and it has beaten and a price increase of about 211%. All right, so for those of you that have already bought it, then as you can see, it went very high in the past few hours. All right, so Moonrat is listed on PancakeSwap already, so it's a great coin and it has great potential. Like in my video yesterday, in a video I made yesterday, I show you guys how you can buy Fox Finance token. All right, so a lot of you might have watched the video and claimed your Fox Finance, so it's also a great coin, and it will be great if you have it in your crypto portfolio. All right, so before we get into the video, this is Crypto Airdroper. As you know, I go out there and look for ways to look for legit way for you to make money online and updates on airdrop tokens. So before I show you how you can buy this coin, I'll just want to make one thing clear. This video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. This video is solely for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, so if you want to invest in any cryptocurrency, I advise you do your own research before you do that. All right, so for those of you that are just watching my content for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and to subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notification, so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And you can check out this video to see if you want to see how you can use PancakeSwap buy to buy Fox token. I made this video yesterday, so you can check it out, and you can check out other videos. I'm sure you find one or two videos that you might like. So let's get into the video. So to obtain this token, you need your trust wallet. All right, so I'll be dropping the contract address to Moonrat token in the description below. Okay, so I'll be dropping the contract address in the description below. So the first thing you need to do is to add the token to your trust wallet. All right, so what you do is you copy the contact address, you come over here and paste it. Once you paste, the Moonrat token will come up and you turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can open. Once you turn it on, you turn the toggle on. Alright, so I've already made my own purchase. As you can see, with as little as $1, I got over 82 million MRAT token. Alright, so I'm planning to hold this coin right now, but don't worry, I'll show you how you can do that. So for those of you that already watched my video yesterday, you know, to buy coins on PancakeSwap you need BNB. So you can either DM me if you need help purchasing, that's you can contact me. I'll be dropping the link to my Telegram and WhatsApp group. You can send me a DM if you want me to buy BNB and fund your wallet for you, or you can just use your Binance to purchase your BNB and send it over to your trust wallet. So once you send your BNB over here, you can choose to, since we want to buy what's it called, we want to buy $1 worth of MRAT. So for easy exchange, alright, our advice, once you send your BNB, you can come to this DEX exchange. So you can come to DEX exchange and exchange some of the BNB to BUSD. Alright, so you once you send over your BNB, for easy exchange, you can choose to exchange some of it to BUSD, or you can just purchase it directly using your BNB. But if you're making the exchange, make sure you leave some of the BNB in your you leave some of the BNB in your wallet. That you don't exchange all of the BNB, because you need some of the BNB to pay for your network fee on PancakeSwap. So to exchange some of the BNB now, let's say for example I want to exchange maybe 0.01 of my BNB. But once I put 0.01, I'll get 5.55 BUSD. Alright, so I can just click on swap. For example, if I want to swap, so I'll click on swap. So once I click on swap, I'll click on send. Alright, so once I do that, I'll get 5 BUSD. Okay, so that's that. So I already have some BUSD, so I don't need to make the swap. So I'm just showing you this. So once you do that, once you fund your trust wallet, then the next thing you do is click on D apps, then you go to PancakeSwap. You go under DeFi. I already showed you all these steps in my previous video, in the last video I made yesterday. You can check it out. So you go to your DeFi and go to PancakeSwap. So once you click on PancakeSwap and open up your PancakeSwap, so the first thing you need to do is you need to check if it's on the smart chain network. Alright, so click on this top right icon here. So you click on it. So if it's on Ethereum or any other smart chain, you change it back to smart chain. Sorry, if it's on either Ethereum or any other blockchain, you change it back to smart chain, and you then you click on connect wallet to connect your wallet address if it's not connected already. So I have my wallet address already connected, so I don't need to do that again. So then the next thing you do is you come over here to this place, select currency, then you click on it, you click on select currency, then you paste the contract address of MRAT token. Once you paste it, then you add it, then you click on add to add it. So once you add it, you click on it. So you see MRAT token has come up here. So you want to buy, so if you want to use your BUSD, you can just type in the amount you want to buy. Let's say $1 of BUSD might be about 0.009, for example. Let's say that's the amount you want to buy. Alright, so but this is a little bit complicated, so to know the exact price of the dollar, that's what we use. I'll be using BUSD. Alright, so you click on BNB and choose BUSD. So BUSD. So once you click on BUSD, then you put the amount. So BUSD is equivalent to dollar, so you put 1, which is equivalent to $1. So you get about 76,996 of this coin, which shows that the price of MRAT has gone up. Like I told you, when I bought mine, it was still very low, so now it has gone up by almost 200 and something percent. So it's now depends on you. You can choose to buy it at this point, or you can wait till it goes down before you buy it. But nevertheless, you still get a lot of this token. Just buy it and keep it before it goes up. So but however, before you purchase any cryptocurrency, remember to carry out your own research. So once you put in your $1, then you click on swap. Alright, so once you click on swap, then the price. So when this comes up, you click on accept. Alright, so once you click on swap, you click on confirm swap. Alright, so once you click on confirm swap, the price will be so you click on swap, well, then you click on confirm swap. So once you click on confirm swap, this place will be approved, it will be swapped. Okay, so first I need to approve it. Once you approve it, then you'll be able to swap it. All right, so sometimes there's this error message that comes up. So whenever that comes up, what you need to do is you click on this place, you click on this icon here. So once you click on this icon, then you increase your slippage tolerance. All right, you increase it to about 10% or 11, 10 to 15 shall between that range. You increase it to 10 to 15%. So let's say maybe 11%. For example, once you put at 11%, then you come and make your swap. Right, then you confirm your swap and you receive it immediately in your Trust wallet. All right, so once you make your swap, you go back to your Trust wallet and you look for MRAT, and you see the worth of, you see that your MRAT token has already been funded with the amount you've bought. All right, so I know a lot of you will be wondering, how do you sell this coin once it goes up? So I'll be showing you how you do that too in this video. So before we get into that, I'm giving like 5 seconds for you to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. All right, so that you not miss out on such videos. All right, so to sell this coin, you can still do that on Pancake Swap. You can still do it on Pancake Swap. Just to sell it, what you do is you come over here to where BNB is. You go to BNB, then you select the coin you want to sell. Let's say, for example, I want to sell maybe my MRAT token, for example. Let's say I want to sell this. Then you sell. Then under here at the next, that's to the two. Then under here, that's the next place. You select what you want to exchange it for, either BNB, or let's say I want to exchange it to my BUSD for easy analysis. So I bought this when it was $1. So let me see how much gain I have so far. So I'll click on maximum. So as you can see, if I'm to sell this right now, I'll be getting 1.05703 BUSD. Alright, so it has not really gone up that much, so you can hold this, and when the price hits or skyrockets, you can make a lot of gain from it. All right, so that's how you can sell your own coin on Pancake Swap. All right, so I think with this I come to the end of this video. So if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Or if you want to purchase any cryptocurrency, you can hit my DM. All right, and I will be of assistance to you guys. So and also one more time, always carry out your own research before you decide to purchase any cryptocurrency, because trading cryptocurrency is very risky. So if you don't carry out a lot of your own research, you might end up losing your funds. And whenever you want to invest in cryptocurrency, make sure you invest something you can lose, that's you are ready to lose, that's something you can risk losing. All right, so thanks for watching this video. This is Crypto Airdropper. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Peace.